Don't mix buds with booze. The combination could lead to a visit to the ER.
It's more of a higher high, if you will, that they feel that they're getting.
New research out of BC Children's Hospital shows a clear link between cannabis poisonings and combining the drug with other mood-altering substances.
When you're consuming it and you're not being mindful of mixing substances, that leads to the poisonings that we're seeing.
Researchers looked at data from health records of 911 poisoning patients in a 3-year period. This before the drug was legalized. They found 12.5%, or 114, were a result of intentionally consumed cannabis. The rest included poisonings due to detergents and other prescription drugs. Of those 114 cannabis-related poisonings, the vast majority were from using cannabis in combination with alcohol, illicit drugs, and/or medication.
1 in 5 kids in the ages grades 7 to 12 have tried cannabis. So we're saying just know your risks, be mindful of what you're doing.
The study says cannabis poisonings were reported most often on weekdays, and in the majority of cases, youth smoked pot and drank alcohol in private residences with their friends. The team says the findings pre-legalization will allow them to compare the numbers post-legalization.
Shortly after legalization, the Drug and Poison Information Center did see a spike in the number of calls they were receiving. So, you know, anecdotally, we would expect to see something similar.
The results come at a time when several local cannabis retailers have been reporting increased sales during the pandemic, making it an even more important time to talk to kids about safe consumption, says the research's lead doctor.
We will be looking at the data and looking at numbers to see if we've seen any inflections over the COVID crisis period.
Common signs of cannabis poisoning includes vomiting, dizziness, and slurred speech.
Have a conversation with your kids to be mindful of consuming cannabis safely, not to consuming along with something else such as alcohol.
In Vancouver, Isabel Regem, City News.